Hey guys, welcome to a new video. And well, we're in my office, not in the garage for a change, because well, if you've been following the live streams, there's been an issue in my garage studio, and that has to do with my chair. The spring or whatever is broken, so often during the live stream I'll go, down a notch, not because my projects are failing, of course they do also, but because my chair just is malfunctioning. So, a little bit ago, oh, don't need these. A little bit ago, I don't think you can actually see it, but I ordered a new chair. It's a Secret Labs, I need to look at the name, Titan Evo 2022 Series XL. So, soft weave plus black. I'm really interested in it. So this is a QuinBoxed emergency because I need a new chair. The chair is here. It's been here for weeks. We're not going to talk about that. So let's build it. And follow along. Enjoy the music. And then I'll give you my first impressions, I guess. So yeah, let's do it. I think, not sure, but I think, well, I'm pretty sure, this is the biggest box in QuinBoxed ever. Engineered to last, from the lab to real world, tensile test, breathability test, and a 5-foot drop test. Interesting. Yes. What is this giant piece of cardboard? Okay. Oh, it's the instruction manual. So, interesting. Wow, okay. Yeah, I don't think you're going to be able to see that. I'll hold it up for a little bit. Oh, wow. This chair has been hand inspected. And my light died. Damn. Okay. Let's hope my light lasts. Let's not hit the camera. So, instructions. I guess I should watch those. Okay. Need to put this on the ground. Secret Lab access. Okay. So we do the base. Okay, we need to take out the back. Then we need to do the base. And my light died again. Well, this is turning out great. Oh, let's get the armrest out of here. Whoa. Okay. Oh, that's not light at all. I can't even reach to show you guys. Okay. More foam. You're supposed to build it on the foam, which is pretty cool. Oh man, there's so many parts. So we took the armrest out, or the backrest out. Now we need to do the feet. So I need this base. Okay, so I guess I just pull it out. Okay, sure. This light. Okay, the light is now on permanent power. Okay, let's see it here. Let me put this somewhere else. Well, certainly not complaining about the weight of it. Or at least it's, heavy quality. Okay. We should now be able to remove this box from this room. I hope. Okay. Okay. Damn. So, we're supposed to start with this thing. And let's use these foam mats for that, like so. Let's see what the instructions say. First, we need to put on the wheels. So let's open this bag. And then maybe the wheels are in here, I don't know. Yep, there's wheels. So these just go in. Yep, okay. Okay, so now we're supposed to turn it around. Ooh. Okay, slide the hydraulic sleeve over the piston, but there's no piston yet. There is a piston here though, and I'm thinking this just goes in here, like that, I guess. Okay, and then we put this on top of here. Oh. Okay, sure, I don't know how that works. Okay, oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and start doing this, because otherwise it'll never get finished. Seems my camera stopped recording. That sucks, because I'm at the end. I just inserted the wheelbase. Oh man. Okay, let's continue anyway. It's not like I can take it apart again. Okay, it's time for the armrests. And those should just kind of snap on, I guess. This is for the other side. There we go. Cool. Yeah, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, this backrest comes forward quite far. So we have tilting motion, or we can lock it at a certain point. Okay, sure. And oh, I guess this is for up and down. Let's see. Yep. Oh wow. That's quite high. That's a lot higher than my chair normally. Okay, sure. That works. Cool. Well, let me see if I missed any instructions, and otherwise I'll take a look at it for a little bit and then give you guys a conclusion. Just kidding. So, well, I've edited the previous part of this video while sitting on the chair now, so you know what my experience is so far. It's not a lot yet. And I'm still, you know, adjusting stuff and figuring it out. So far, my impressions have been, I'm going to say neutral. It's certainly not bad. It's a very heavy, well-built chair, that I can say for sure. And as I said, I'm still figuring out my position and how I like the armrest. One of the additions is there was a magnetic pillow in the box. You can actually snap on here, or you can position it here. That's pretty cool. And so far it's been pretty good. In regards to sitting position, I'd actually would have liked if the bottom the plane you sit on, it feels slightly tilted backwards. It would have been nice if I would have been able to adjust the tilt like that. I don't think you can actually do that except when you lean back completely. No, not this one. Except when you, I think, unlock this one and you lean back. Well, it comes forward like that and it goes flat. But even when flat, it somehow feels slightly tilted so that your legs are kind of wrapped over it. Although maybe I just need to lower the seat and then that problem goes away. One of the other positions I often sit in is with my legs crossed like that. Actually, don't know if you can see that, but that actually works better than expected, because you have these high sides which are meant to give you a hugged feeling basically, and often having your legs up like this is a problem then, but for these they're pretty soft, so that's okay. That's different than I would have expected, because the seat itself isn't very soft. It's kind of memory. Man, today is the day of the dying equipment. I mean, in a minute this camera will stop too, and then everything I've been using will have stopped in the middle of recording. But the seat is kind of memory foamy, so it's hard when you sit down at first, but then you kind of sink in it, so it's pretty comfortable. I haven't gotten sleeping legs or a sleeping butt or something like that. But there's only so much I can say for, you know, having sat on this for like 1.5 hours now or something like that. As I said, it's certainly not bad. First impressions are pretty good. I'm not going to say this is the best seating experience I've ever had in my life, but you know, you kind of also need to get used to a chair a little bit. So as I said, finding the right position, things like that. Now, if you're watching this video and it's from a while back, maybe leave a comment and ask me what my opinion is of it by that time. I'll probably keep it in the office for a little bit and then decide if I want to keep it here or I want to move it to the garage set. Either way, I'll be sitting on it, well, a decent amount of time. So yeah, I don't think I'll have any affiliate links or something like that. So I'm just gonna thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back in the next video.